Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? Today is 8 June 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Today we are going to revise Unit 7. Try to be special, Chapter 3, being honest. Honest mean to always tell the truth. What do you mean by honest? Honest mean to tell the truth. The action of an honest person are always the right one. If the person is honest, he or she shows always the right action. Let us see what honesty mean by looking at what the children are doing in the picture. See the first picture, broken glass, a small girl and a mother. So the mother asked with the girl that who dropped the glass or who broke the glass. So also she should tell the truth. So always tell the truth. In the second picture, the children are playing and one of the boys falls down, either with the mistake of the third number three shirts boy or maybe by himself by mistake. So never cheat in class or in a game. I mean, never cheat anyone. That like uh, if you are playing or you are in the class. Okay, now never steal or take anything which is not yours without asking. So never steal or take anything if the thing is not belongs to you. So don't take it without permission. Grandma say a person who is honest in what he says he or does is respected by everybody. If you want to be respected, then be honest. So we should be honest. If we an honest person is respected by others, by everybody. So if we want that everyone respect you, so we should be honest. Now move on to chapter number 4, good manners. Everybody loves good children, good manner children. Everyone this is a fact that everyone like or love children or person with a good manners. So do you know the children with good manners are use special word. The children who are good mannered, they use special words. These special words are used in different situation. What are these? And these special words are called courtesy words. Thank you. When we say thank you, when somebody help us or give us something or give us a gift, we should say thank you. Please. When you want somebody to do something for you, when we want that somebody else do something for us, we should say please. Excuse me. When two people are talking, don't interrupt them. Or if you want to say something in between, you should say excuse me. When you want to interrupt people who are talking, okay, so you should say excuse me. Sorry. When you do something wrong or hurt somebody, when we do something wrong and we hurt someone, we should say sorry. You are welcome. When somebody say thank you, whenever somebody say thank you in return, we should say welcome. Assalamu alaikum. When you meet somebody, we should say we should say assalamu alaikum when we greet someone. So these are some courtesy words every child should know, and everyone should use these words. Okay. Now let me show you two actions that show good manners. How do these actions show the children doing them having good manners? See, respect elders. There is no place. An old man came and the girls get up and give her space, give her place to sit the old man. In second picture, the boy helped the woman to open the door of a grocery shop. Okay. What Mr. Oily the Owl say? Mr. Oily the Owl say, my mama and papa tell me that I should show good manners. Obviously, we should show good manners towards animals too. Not for humans. We should show good manners to animals as well. How we should take care. We should give them food, and never hit them. Then they then say that young and elder both should be treated with good manners. And then they say that we should be treated either the person is small or younger than you or elder than you, or he or she is elder than you. So we should be treated with good manners. Okay. For today till here. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.